Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is one of my new toys that I just bought. It's a McLean reel mower. I actually got it on Facebook Marketplace from a guy that had, if you'd have seen his house, you'd have like, he should have just gave it to me. He had a lot of money. But this poor baby has not been upkept. You know, it hasn't been upkept halfway decent. Let me show you what the belt looked like. This was the belt, and it sure enough went flying. It worked for a few times and then gone. Okay, now I took a picture of the serial number and everything. Okay. Have me a beer first. This guy on there. And it was only $8.95. Took a picture of the serial number and went to a place that deals just with mainly reel mowers, and I got the replacement. So my video today is me trying to figure out how to replace this daggone thing. See that actually the screw bolts, they go in right here, two back here. Start with that. I believe it's a half inch. slipping in on that side to get to the big side. Slipping in over here. And I think I made a mistake to put that behind the belt, which it doesn't need to be. But there is a little spinner right there. And you put that one right where it's supposed to be. Okay. Now, you just gotta put that bolt back on there. And it should be okay. Freaking nice. Okay, it's about to rain. I'm going to get a last. Nice good picture of my new used wheel mower. Power wash it down, and we're gonna be cleaning it up. Take some of this stuff off, you know, paint it back to its original color, and we're gonna work from there and enjoy it. All right, thanks for watching.